today's video is about our two new parrots. Not this one is old.
Our new parrot, Snowflake.
Snowflake,
She's an Indian ringneck.
female, and
She's born on April 13th, 2021.
so Olaf is older because he's born on July 3rd, 2020. Right, Olaf? They both are very sleepy right now. Like very sleepy.
And right now they were recently fighting.
Yes, they also hate each other. This is how big a Snowflake's mouth open. She literally wants to bite everyone. So
And Olaf does nothing.
I feel like Olaf is more welcoming than Snowflake. That's mean. So and plus it's Snowflake's second day in our house. Yesterday was her first day because we bring her out our house today. Yesterday. Plus we have a gigantic cage for her.
And when we were at the company, we also saw Snowflake fighting with other parrots.
It's very gigantic, but she only is upside down on the roof. That's all she does. She's literally like hanging from the roof.
And she does not like milk.
Oh yes, and she hates millet for some reason. But Olaf tries to snatch the millet out of her hands. Stop itching yourself. Now he's angry. You see Snowflake here. She's younger, but she's jealous of him getting pet, you see? Look, her eyes, anger, and nothing we can do about. Nothing in our life we can do about because she's always angry. Oh yes she is. Oh yes she is. Oh yeah. Oh, you're a bad girl. You see?
Yeah, so she's really jealous of Olaf being a pet.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's all we had for today. And in the future you might see more of Snowflake.
But still tons of Olaf.
Yes. So
And Olaf's gonna be easier to come in the video since he's gonna be nice.
yeah. So anyways, this is all for today. So see y'all next time.